In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export with Excel on Monday.com. We'll walk through two main things. First, how to import an Excel file to create a brand new board, and second, how to export an existing board from Monday.com back into Excel. Follow along in your own account if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. Let's start with importing data and creating a new board from Excel. On the left-hand sidebar of Monday.com, look for the button that says Add with a plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you create new boards and also bring in data from other tools. From the menu that opens, choose Import Data. This tells Monday.com that instead of starting from a blank template, you want to build a board from existing information. Next, you'll see different sources you can import from. For this video, select Excel. A file picker will open up. Find the Excel file you want to use, select it, and upload it. Once it's uploaded, click Next. Monday.com will now ask you to choose your header row. This is the row in your spreadsheet that contains the column titles like task name, owner, status, or due date. Make sure you select the correct row because these headers will become your column names on the new board. When you're happy with that, click Next again. Now you'll see the column mapping screen. Here, Monday.com shows each column from your Excel file and lets you decide what type of column it should become in your board. For example, a text column in Excel might become a status column, a date column, or just a regular text column in Monday.com. Take a moment to review each one so the data behaves the way you expect once it's imported. When everything looks right, click Create Board. Monday.com will generate a new board using your Excel data, and you're ready to start working with it. Next, let's look at how to export an entire board from Monday.com to Excel. Open the board you want to export, then go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is sometimes called the More Options menu. From that menu, select More Actions. In the list that appears, choose Export Board to Excel. A small window will pop up with a few options. Here, you can check boxes if you want to include updates or sub-items along with the main board data. These options are helpful if you need more detail in your export. Once you've made your selections, click Export. Monday.com will generate an Excel file that you can download and open, share with your team, or use for reporting and backup.